You own a hardscape company. If you're struggling with retaining really good help, making sure the standards of the work are being done to your expectations, and your team not consistently calling on you and needing your help, the team is not the problem, it's you. Now, I know that stings a little bit, but in reality, we've been there, and that's great news. If you take ownership, you can actually make a difference. So here's the first fixable problem, and don't worry, we will get the solution in a little bit. First one is phone calls all day long from your team trying to figure out how to do certain tasks, trying to help or fix any of the issues that are happening on the job sites, and you might be feeling that sense that the business is running you and you're not actually running the business. So if that's happening, that's not a crew problem, that's a leadership problem. Problem number 2 is the sense of needing to be on the job site and hands-on in every task on that job site because you can't trust the team to do their job properly or to the standards that you want them. If you leave the job site and everything falls apart, something is broken. And again, it's not the team's problem or fault, it's a leadership problem. What's broken is clarity. Your team does not have the right tools and systems in place to perform their tasks confidently without you there. So how do you fix it? We're going to do that by implementing innovative tools and repeatable systems so your team can perform the tasks professionally and efficiently. So you've heard us say it before, tools equal efficiencies. And when we take those tools and put them in systems, they create consistency and consistent install processes. That helps retain your help, it helps bring on new team members and train them, and it helps with the quality of the work being done. When your team has the right tools and clear systems in place, it helps your team work safer, smarter, and more efficiently without you having to be there. So we've mentioned tools and systems. Now let's walk you through 2 of those that we can get implemented tomorrow. So the tool that comes to mind is the MVP T-handle package. It's a very popular package to hardscapers today. It allows your team to get off their hands and knees installing, do it standing up, which also increases the efficiencies of the tasks of installing, never mind the fatigue, the issues with workman's comp, and it builds a really solid team that's confident in the work that they can do, ultimately making your company more valuable. So next we're going to get into the systems. The one that always comes to mind to me is HD Hybrid Edging System. Now it starts with the sand plow, which knocks away your bedding layer with ease, and the best part is you're doing it standing up. The next one is the hammer drill, which drives your spikes or your stakes for the HD Hybrid Edging in effortlessly. No more getting fatigued by trying to hit those spikes or stakes in. Now, this is easy to do and implement. You can simply train your team to do it or have them watch the video that's on the screen that will show them how to install the edge restraint. Once you get them set up, they'll be able to do that day in, day out, letting you get off the job site and having your team take ownership. So if your hardscape company is struggling, you're spending all your days out on the job site with your team to ensure it gets done properly and working the office at night in your books, stop doing that. Take ownership, get the systems and tools in place to be able to get yourself off the job sites and help your team to be successful. So we hope this has been helpful to you. We have a lot of systems and processes that we can help implement within your company to help you be successful. If you want more information on these, please give us a call. We'd like to work with you and help you out get started in the path to success. So if you're still here, make sure to subscribe down below and we'll see you on the next video.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.